What's going on, everybody? Josh, startedringgutterbusiness.com. We've had some people asking what suppliers we use for certain things, and so we're going to kind of go through most of my suppliers and tell you guys what we use them for. Hopefully help you guys out a little bit, find your materials. So we'll kind of start out with just kind of our normal basic gutter materials. So we use pretty much all aluminum products. So this is coil for 5 and 6 inch gutters, so 12-inch coils and 15-inch coils. End caps, all the K-style, strip miters, bay miters, end caps, all that stuff. Just like everybody, we've been having a hard time sticking with just one supplier with one set of colors, which is difficult because then we have to, stock a bunch more stuff, and you have a bunch of colors that are like close to each other but don't quite work, to build a downspout or whatever. You have 3 different shades of almond if you're using 3 different suppliers or those kind of things. So anyways, it is what it is. Everybody's having a hard time getting everything. So we'll start out with probably one of my favorite suppliers right now is ABC Supply. They bought out Raytec a while ago, so all their boxes, at least my supplier, still says Raytec on it. But ABC Supply, I get most of my coil from, strip miters, end caps, and all of our aluminum coil, most of our aluminum coil. You can try those guys out. ABC Supply, I know they're nationwide, so pretty much anywhere you're watching this in the US, they should have a supplier next to you. So next one's Custom-Bilt Metals. I think they're mainly West Coast, so anywhere in the western states, they have a truck that drives around and supplies most of the western United States. Same thing, they're a little bit more expensive for most stuff, it seems like, but they have like a totally different color palette than my normal suppliers that I use locally. So I always keep them in mind. We kind of upcharge a little bit for their colors just because they're more expensive for us to purchase. So, but they do, deliver right to us, and they're getting better at getting us what we need over the years. So then Lansing is also local to us. I know that they have nationwide suppliers. Lansing Building Products, they do a really good job. They have good, their quality is probably second to none that I've found. Their aluminum normal coil have very few blemishes that I've found. Their paint seems to hold up better on their coil than other suppliers. One problem they've been having lately, at least for us here, is they just don't, they have nothing in stock. Is what it is. So one of the other suppliers we use here locally is Klein's Exteriors. I don't think that they're like a nationwide branch. I know, but they use, I believe it's Madio products. They're a good distributor. So if you look in your area for, maybe you could look into like Madio gutter products or something like that, and they probably have like a distributor for your area. Worth a shot, check that out. With the way everything's getting, hard to get materials, hard to find the color you need, hard to find enough supply at one dealer for, sometimes even just for one job. Been really helpful for us the last year to pick and choose from these suppliers, having like 4 or 5 available to get whatever we need from. So, a lot of times one won't have what we need, so we hop to the next one, makes for quite the phone game when it comes time to place our orders once a week, but it is what it is. So now I'm going to hop into kind of some of our accessories. We'll start out with gutter hangers. So I like using Raytec gutter hangers, as you guys have seen in some of our previous videos. We just use the hang tight 5-inch, like the just normal hang tight bracket. These are simple, they're cheap, a lot of guys use, like the hang fast, and those are way more expensive. And when you're looking at bidding stuff price per foot, these are not, once you get used to using these hangers, they're not slow, and they're very similar strength-wise. And then all you need to do is find a good screw supplier, which I'm going to tell you who we use here in a second. But we've had really good luck with these hang type brackets. They're very universal. They're good for like a lot of different jobs, and they work, you know, really well over the majority of construction. That's what we use, and they're cost effective. So, oh, one other thing, Raytec, I also get geocell sealant from Raytec. So, usually the gutter suppliers, you can actually get geocell from your gutter supplier, but it's usually a little bit more expensive, and I've had really good luck getting it through Raytec. They have good pricing on it, and you can get large quantities at once with it. Anyways, when I place a Raytec gutter hanger order, I usually get like 10 boxes of 1,000 at a time. They give you a price break on them that way. It doesn't matter which hangers you get. You don't have to get 10 of the same kind. You can get, you know, 2 6-inch boxes of hangers and 8 5-inch boxes of hangers. So try to save a little bit of money there too, just by ordering a bunch. I mean, when I was first starting out, I definitely couldn't order 10 boxes of hangers at a time. So don't feel bad if you can't do that. But so I said earlier we were going to talk about our screw supplier. So I get our screws. Raytec does offer screws, but I found they're really expensive. So we use a manufacturer called ScrooScoop, and they're online. And we get 2-inch screws from them with that we actually get the ceramic coated ones with neoprene washers on them. They work really good, and they're number 10 screw, so it's a 10x2 with a neoprene washer on them. And then for like new construction, simpler build, like cheaper, you know, contractor quality stuff, we use an 1.5-inch zinc screw with a 1/4-inch head, so it's a 10x1.5 inch zinc plated screw. And that's what we use for most, you know, new construction type stuff. We get our zip screws from them, painted zip screws. We get rivets from them for our like custom gutter jobs, you know, like an 1/8-inch painted rivet. And they have all sorts of stuff for really good value and price-wise. So I've been really happy with them. They ship really fast, and they're anything over, I think it's like $100 is free shipping. So it helps you save a little bit on shipping when, especially right now, shipping's out of control. So. And then we're going to kind of jump to specialty materials here. So we do some, you know, there can be a little bit more profit margin in these specialty gutter items. So like this is a 1/2 round cold rolled steel with saddle hangers, and we have a totally different set of suppliers that we use for this kind of stuff. One of those is Gutter Supply. They do a really good job of getting, you know, those kind of weird things. My favorite part about them is they have all the kind of the weird stuff, but they also have really quality like shipping and packaging. It costs a lot to ship stuff from them, especially like 10-foot downspouts, because they ship them in crates. But as long as you bill for that shipping, the material always shows up in one piece, which is very helpful when you get to the job. So I definitely recommend Gutter Supply. They have all that kind of weird stuff that you know, when you're going out to a job like this that you need. So these are actually not even from Gutter Supply, but they have similar things like this. These specifically are from Custom-Bilt Metals. They're out of Colorado, I believe. There's a few of them in the States, I believe. So they have some kind of weird stuff like this too. So Gutter Supply, Custom-Bilt Metals, e-gutters. They have some other, you know, when you run into one of those weird jobs that you want to give it a shot, all three of those suppliers usually handle it for us. So we'll kind of get into like hand tool stuff. You know, a lot of stuff you get at just your local hardware store, you know, drills, tape measures, all that stuff. But one tool that we use a lot of is Malco tools. So they make very specific gutter installation tools, which is really nice. We use their nut drivers, like I've said in previous videos, end cap crimpers, hole punches, all that stuff's Malco. They have, you know, good tin snips, all that stuff. So check them out. They have really high quality gutter specific tools. So, you know, other than that, just your local hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot, they have a lot of stuff to get you started. We use Kenny Noble. They're very local. Anyways, well, I know it's kind of a boring video, but thanks for watching. Hope we can help you guys out. You know, it's hard to find materials in this this economy, and how everything's just supply shortages and all that. So hope we can help you out a little bit here. And comment. We love reading your guys' comments and learning for new videos. We use your guys' comments to kind of brainstorm our YouTube videos here. So comment, subscribe, like. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Mic test, 1, 2, 3.